Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is happy and in good health. I'm here to share this journal that I just completed, and this is from the Reader's Digest Condensed Books, copyright 1965. It still has a good cover. I just changed the spine and used a vintage fabric and added a lace, and now it has 8 signatures. I stitched vintage trims on the covers of each signature, and then for the closure, this is a fabric that I turned into a ribbon and did some stitching, and then I added this butterfly charm. I call this journal Birds and Butterflies. The size of this journal is 7.5 by 5.25 inches, and there are about 335 inside pages. The inside front cover has a collaged pocket. I added this receipt from 1966. I found this tucked in the book, and then I made a tag, and the tag has these images of birds. And then this is a postcard from 1909, and this is original postcard. I use different papers for the inside pages, and then the trims are from upholstery fabric. This envelope is from Graphics Fairy, and then this is parchment paper. Some information about birds. So this is feeding the birds in winter time. This is a vintage music sheet. Again, beautiful paper. A collage, and this is on orange crowned warbler, parchment paper, and then I added some stamps, graph paper, and then I did some stenciling. This is also from Graphics Fairy, and this is a page from the Reader's Digest. More stamps, and then I made a collage, and this image is from Pinterest. This is a flip up, and this paper is from one of my digital kits, which is available in my other Etsy shop, Purely Personal Gifts. And then I made a pocket and some inserts for more journaling. This is also from one of my digital kits, and this is from the Wallflower paper pad. I think this is from Tim Holtz. More stenciling, and I used parchment paper instead of coffee stain paper. This is a clip-on. This page has beautiful images of birds both sides, and I didn't want to cut them, so I decided to just add it as a clip-on. I love this upholstery fabric. This is another stamp, another collage pocket, and these inserts are for more journaling. Another image from Graphics Fairy. Another stamp, and images of birds and more information about birds. For this page, I sewed this scrapbook paper on a fabric and then glued it down on the page, so you have a secret space there to journal on. This is another stenciling that I did. This page has some information about the duck-like birds, and then I made a tag, and this has more information about this particular duck-like bird. Another page from Reader's Digest. This is featuring Special Forces team. More stenciling. This is another pocket, and these are information about the wood duck. On this page, I glued down this tiny butterfly. And then this is another stenciling, a tuck, and more images of birds. This is another tuck, and this paper is also from one of my digital kits. This is another pocket and more collage. This is a beautiful image of the flamingo and some information about the bird. And this is a beautiful image of the hummingbird. This is the middle of this signature, and then I have two cards glued down here. And this is a pocket. I added this beautiful butterfly here. And this is also from one of my kits. And this card is blank inside. Another image from Graphics Fairy. This tag is from Zoe Tofield's digital kit. And this is also from one of her kits. I will provide her link on the description below. More tags from Zoe Tofield's digital kit. I stamped a butterfly for this page and added more stamps here. I did another stamp and then added this butterfly. Another tuck, and then again from one of my digital kits. These are images of the game birds and some information about these birds. This is an envelope and a tuck. And inside the envelope is the only coffee stain paper that I have for this journal. I printed these beautiful images of butterflies on a parchment paper. Again, this is from Zoe Tofield's digital kit. And I sewed this on a fabric. So yes, there are plenty of pages to journal on. Another image from Zoe Tofield. And more information about birds. And this is a vellum and a belly band. This paper is also from one of my digital kits. And this is a flip up. Beautiful image. Another butterfly that I just glued down. Made a small envelope and inside are coupons. So this is the last page, and for the inside back cover, this is the original page from Reader's Digest, and this envelope is again from Zoe Tofield's digital kit. I have some stamps inside. So there you have it. This is the Birds and Butterflies journal. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. This will be listed in my Etsy shop, Neldascrafts. So thanks again for watching. God bless you. Bye now.